Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your screen with Claude. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open a new chat on Claude and then you're going to click on this plus icon right next to your prompt box. And here you're going to click on take a screenshot. Once you do click on that, you'll be able to see a window pop up in front of you. So we have three over here. One is Chrome tab, that which Chrome tab that you wish to share. Then we have is window, and then we have is entire screen. So let's say you want to go with entire screen. So you can simply click on this entire screen and click on share. And now you can see that a screenshot has been taken, and you can simply type in anything that you want about this. Let's say, can you please explain me this? Can you please explain me how to use this, let's say. And then you can simply press enter. And now you can see that you have shared screen with Claude right from the prompt box. And now it's going to explain it for you. So just like that, you can simply click on this plus icon and share any screenshot that you want to do so and ask questions related to that, and Claude will answer it.